guys, punta kami sa Shangri-la Mall. Lalo kami doon, Prisha. 1 PM na guys. Pit lang dito sa kundo na pinagrentahan namin. Ano lang siya? 12 minutes away. Mag-grab na lang kami. We'll grab. Yan ang ating OOTD. Or messy bed. Wala ako guys. Yan. Alis na muna kami guys. Punta kami ng Shangri-la Mall. Punta kami sa Kidzoona. Paano ko si Prisha. Prisha will play there in Kidzoona. So we'll see you there in a while. Where's my baby? Where are we going?
Mall.
Mall. We're going to Kidzoona.
Upside down, Mom.
Upside down.
Upside down.
Yay.
Upside down.
Big upside down.
Big me, Mom.
Piggy, where are you?
Wanted me, Mommy.
Okay, with the big seat.
That way, Mommy.
Yeah, we're going that way. Shangri-la Mall.
That way. Good that way.
Hello.
Going that side. Don't go this side, Mommy.
Yes. We are here in Shangri-la Mall. Really? Ang piggy! Piggy, piggy! Look, look, the water is changing.
Hey, Mommy.
Fountain. Fountain. It's green. Opo, this is Shangri-La Mall. We'll find it. Hey, to Kidzoona. Here we go, guys. We found the Kidzoona. Yeah. Lawak pala. Wait, we have to pay first. Also have a locker here to keep your shoe. Daming space. Then bags. Hi guys! We are here in Kidzoona, here in Taguig. Malapit lang to sa guys, amin. Dito kami sa Shangri-La Mall. Ang entrance fee dito is 400 for 3 hours and 370 pesos naman if 1 hour lang. So we opt for 3 hours because the space is quite wide. So guys, ito lang to sa Shangri-La Mall. Sulit ang 400. Kasi you can play all the toys naman. Prisha can play. Prisha's playing guys. Ayan siya sa train. Malaki tong Kidzoona niya. Mommy's here. Play. Just playing a dollhouse. Where's your doll? That's yours.
Good afternoon. Calling the attention of customer Maxine, Martin, and Matthew Reminder for your checkout, please. Thank you.
Yay!
Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo.
What happened?
Lulu, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling. Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Skip to my loo, my.
Opo. Prisha is going to supermarket. Supermarket. Prisha's buying veggies. Supermarket. Meron silang post office, hospital, kitchen house, pizzeria area. Meron silang ice cream, sushi bar. Yung isa si Inday. You're a beautician. Prisha is a beautician. Lower my hair. Lower my hair. Alam na yung mga gamit ba saan. What's that? Scissor. It's a scissor. Cut hair. Haircut. Lipstick.
The tag, Mom.
Who's that? Check the baby. Prisha's playing.
Ooh, ooh, cats in the freezer.
And playing with it.